Meaning of electron gun.
Electron gun.
Electron gun.
Electron gun.
Electron gun. An electron gun is a device that emits a beam or stream of electrons. It uses a high voltage source to create a negatively charged cathode, which releases electrons. The electrons are then accelerated and focused into a beam by positive electrodes. This beam of electrons can be used for a variety of purposes, such as in television tubes, scientific instruments, and electron microscopes. The emitted electrons carry a negative charge and can be used to produce an image on a screen or target, or to manipulate materials at the molecular level with great precision.